श्रीमद्रामानुजाचार्यं पार्थसारथिसद्गुरुं श्रीमन्नल्लाञ्चक्रवर्तिकृष्णमाचार्यदेशिकं श्रीमद्रघुनाथाचार्यं नानाशास्त्रविशारदं श्रीमन्महामरङ्गण्टि श्रीरङ्गाचार्यपण्डितं श्रीमदभिनवव्यासं कन्दाडवंशसम्भवं श्रीमदप्पलाचार्यमार्यं रामायणशिरोमणिं श्रीमत्सन्तानगोपालाचार्यम् आम्नायपारगं श्रीवेङ्कटार्य अप्पकुण्डार्यमार्यौ पितामहौ द्वौ तापसौ श्रीमद्वेङ्कटाचार्यम् अस्मद्भ्रातरं चिन्तितार्धतं वारं वारं नमाम्यहं भक्त्या गुरुपरम्पराम् अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री आण्डाळ् दिव्य तिरुवडिगळे शरणं. My dear friends, I welcome you to Temple Kiosk of Vedic Relics, Sri Geetam, TKVR Sri Geetam, Telikitala Gandhala Vedic Repertory. Sri Geetam is the synonym for or the English version for Tirupavai. In that one we are entering into the third stanza, in which Sri Andal once again exhibits her talent of architecture of words, or word painting, a sculpting of words in an excellent manner in the Paasuram. Now we shall recite the Paasuram, just give the meaning in Telugu, then we shall go to the keywords of the poem and the references related to Veda and English literature. You see, first of all, I salute my teachers. Always I bow down to my teachers. If somebody says, how could you attain such a level? If they ask, that is due to blessings of Guruji's only. I said, without any cost or prejudice, I never enact obedience or something like that. Never. I feel it. I always soak in the ambrosia of the anugraha of Guruji's only. That's why every time, if I want to speak for 5 minutes, I shall recite a verse from Guruji's explaining literature, and then I shall proceed. So, actually, I am carried away by P.B. Shelley in one stanza. He says, he will watch from dawn to gloom, the lake reflected sun illume, the yellow bees in ivy blossom, nor heed nor see what things they be, but from these create he can forward more real than living man, nurslings of immortality. That's the greatness of Guruji. Always they will be observing all the things which we will come across, but we just observe in the superficial level and the macro level only. And the micro concept, they will be observing, they will be explaining. Such great gurus we have dealt with Tirupavai many times. I listened to them attentively, even though I was discoursing on Tirupavai in the same evening or in the morning. I never felt that, yes, once I have prepared my notes in Tirupavai, it is enough. Why should I listen to people? I never. Every time they projected a new version of Tirupavai. Not only Tirupavai, any subject they speak. For example, our Marangandi Srirangacharya Swami once spoken Sundarakanda for one full year. That is almost after 360 days, around about 280 days, he spoken Sundarakanda only in one platform. I listened to them, I attended them attentively. Then, in one occasion, for 45 days, he spoken Sundarakanda. Right. Next time, in New Nalakunta Ramalayam, he spoke for 1 week only. And in Begumpet once, it so happened, he visited a home. There, the people asked, sir, speak for few minutes regarding Sundarakanda. Just 1 hour. This 1 hour, that 1 week, 45 days, 36 days, all are recorded and kept with me. And you will find the same slokas, the same incident, same version, but presented in a most novel manner. Totally, it is a mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive manner. Yes, checked it. It way back in 80s, 82, 87, 86 to 89, if I remember correctly. That's inspiration. That's why B.B. Shelley says like that. He'll be observing, he'll be creating beautiful scenario. That's why I salute such gurus and proceed to the concept of the Pashuram, that is ஓங்கி உலகளந்த உத்தமன் பேர் பாடி நாங்கள் நம் பாவைக்கு சாத்தி நீராடினால் தேங்கின்றி நாடெல்லாம் திங்கள் மும்மாறி பெய்து ஓங்கு பெருஞ்சென்னல் ஊடு கயலுகள பூங்குவளை போதில் பரிவண்டு கண்படுப்ப தேங்காதே புக்கிருந்து சீர்த்தமலை பத்தி வாங்க குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும்பசுக்கள் நீங்காத செல்வம் நிறைந்து ஏல் ஓர் எம்பாவாய். We are going to praise, we are going to sing the glory, the glamour, or the brilliance, or the sanctity of the great lotus feet of Lord. That we are doing. And he is such a man. Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman is the man, is the person, I should not say man, because he has taken that form, I am calling like that. He is the person, is the icon of gods. He is the person who came to the king Bali, asked for only 3 feet. Finally, he rose to the highest level. He has taken the form in the universal level, and he has measured within 2 feet entire worlds. Then the third foot is given to Bali Chakravarti, whom he has sent to Patala, inner world, where he has become the ruler of the inner world until the particular period of time, that is Kalpa, will be over. By the next Kalpa, he will become Indra again. Like that, Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi. We shall sing the glory of the name, we shall chant the name. Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi. Nangal Nam Pavaikku Shatti Niradinal. We shall take a holy bath in the name of the Vrata, the worship, piece of worship, the ritual, that's all. We may not perform the ritual properly. We may not worship properly. That's a different story. At least let us do it in the name of that one. That's all. In the name of the worship, we shall take the holy bath. Ongi, that's a tricky word. Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi. Nangal Nam Pavaikku Shatti Niradinal. With that one only, we need not perform the puja. We need not follow the principles, etc. Just if we take the bath in the name of the worship, automatically what happens? Uttaman Perpadi, Nangal Nam Pavaikku Shatti Niradinal. In the name, let us chant his name in the name of the worship. Shatti Niradinal, Thingindri Nadellam Tingal Mummari Peidu. All the troubles, all the blasphemies, all the blemishes of the entire world will vanish. And Thingindi Nadellam Tingal Mummari Peidu. Per month, 3 rainfalls will be there, and automatically the land will become fertile and the entire creation shall become blissful and people will enjoy in the immense fashion. Nangal Nam Pavaikku Shatti Niradinal Thingindi Nadellam Tingal Mummari Peidu. Ongu Perunsennal Oodu Kayalugala. The entire the forest of wheat, grain, all these things, bushes should raise to such level that even the sun rays also cannot enter inside the gaps between the bushes. That's all. But Thingindi Nadellam Tingal Mummari Peidu Ongu Perunsennal Oodu Kayalugala. Actually, when the bush, when the cluster of wheat or grain, etc. will be growing like that, there should not be water deposits at the roots, at the foot level. But she says that when they are raising such a manner, far and wide, automatically the rays will not enter, sun rays will not enter and evaporate the water. So in the water, fish will be moving, they will not be moving, they will be jumping, hopping over one place to another place. Due to the thermal energy of the solar system, here flowers also should flourish, lotuses also should flourish. In that one, bees should feel very happy enjoying the excellent makaranda in the கேளுகளை பூங்குவளை போதில் பொன்வண்டு கண்படுப்ப தேங்காதே புக்கிருந்து சீர்த்தமலை பத்தி வாங்க குடம் நிறைக்கும் வள்ளல் பெரும்பசுக்கள். And all the herds of cows should be multiplied. They will be doubled, tripled and multiplied like anything. And they will become so sturdy, so healthy, and they will be yielding milk so happily. Kudam niraikum vallal perumbachukal. If you put the pot, automatically within minutes that will be filled with the milk of the cow, like that. I like that. Thengade pukku irandu shirthamalai patti vaanga kudam niraikum. First of all, the cowhead boy, they cannot enter inside. Oh my God, so many cows are there. How much time it will take to milk like that? He will never feel. Just like in small garages, you will be observing, you ask one fellow, how many, today I have repaired nearly 13 vehicles, sir. After all 13, I would have done so more. Like that they will be saying. To attend one vehicle, it will take half an hour or 40 minutes. Like that, just like that boy, the cowhead boy should be say that one. What he has to do? Yes, after all, 50,000 are there. I shall do it. What is there? Like that he will say. Thengade pukku irandu shirt. Actually, long explanation is there. I am briefing it. Thengade pukku irandu shirthamalai patti vaanga kudam niraikum vallal perumbasukkal ningada selvam. The entire country should be overflowing with immense riches. Ningada selvam niraindu. How it happens? Just we take bath in the name of the worship of lotus feet of Lord Vamana. That's all they see. Here you can observe Ongu Perum Sennal. William Blake beautifully describes this one. When greenwoods laugh with voice of joy, when air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hill laugh with the noise of it, when meadow laughs with widely lively green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene, he says. William Blake will say, such festivity should be there everywhere in the land, they say. And one more thing we have to take up. Usually, people will not be concentrating on this aspect. You observe Vamana Avatara. Yes, Vamana has come. He has come and requested or appealed or begged, in fact, begged 3 feet of land, and he has done a miracle and crushed down Bali's egoistic mentality, and later he was honored. Actually, this Vamana Avatara has a secret in his story. Even the people who speak on Bhagavata also will not speak. Just he has come and he has taken like that automatically. Later, when 2 feet are measured and he has grown up like that, far and wide, and what he has done, Antarbahishcha Narayana Vyapya Narayana Sthita. Antarvyapti is shown by Narasimha Avatara, Bahiryapti shown by Vamana Avatara. That's all, they will stop. But ever modern, 90% modern people will ask. Modern people means people of modern generation, present generation. Is it not deceiving Bali Chakravarti? You asked for 3 feet, and 3 feet you have measured in your same form, but after asking that one, you have changed your frame, you have increased your frame, fat and length, heavy, that height, to that height you reached, and with that one you tried to measure. That means when you are asking for the 3 feet of land, you are shortened dwarf. And when you are measuring, you have changed the technology. What is this nonsense? It is not, is it not deceiving the king, the great king who is a great donor? No, it is not deception. Behind that one a story is there, a hymn is there, in Yajurveda it is there, in Rigveda also it is there. Actually, once upon a time, before Indra and all those people ruled the countries, the entire world is under the sway of Rakshasas only. Entire creation, entire world. Because why Rakshasas? Raksha, Raksha, they said. When God, Prajapati has created human beings, Yakshas he created. Jaksha, Jaksha. They immediately ran to Brahmadeva and they tried to eat him away. Jaksha, Jaksha. Have it a meal. Immediately Rakshasa said, Raksha, Raksha is our creator. You keep them, you have to honor him. Raksha, Raksha. That's why they have become Rakshasas. In those days, they were nice people only. That's why Brahma has given them a promise or a boon such that wherever they sit, if they think mentally of certain borders of the land, in their vision, just like with their mind they think of, the entire land will be belonging to Rakshasas only. That means he will sit at home in Start village, a smart village, in a room he will sit. Mentally he will be thinking of Trafalgar Square, Denmark or USA, Canada, something like that. Automatically, even though he is in a village in either Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, a part of India, and in that one a small house is there, a small home, after all 900 square feet model, in that one, in a small 10 by 10 room, he is sitting and thinking of the entire land automatically. But what happens to these people? What happened to these people? Devas, wherever they sit, up to whatever extent their look can stretch, their vision can stretch, that is look only. Up to that only, the land belongs to them. That's why they went and requested for a share in the property to the Rakshasas. This is given in Yajurveda. Asuranam va iyamagra asit yavadasinah parapasyanti tavat devanam. Wherever they be seated and whatever extent they can see, they can have a glance, that part is their property. And yavadasinah parapasyati tavat devanam deva abruvan astveva nah asyamapi iti. They went to the Rakshasas and said, after all, we are brothers, co-brothers, step-brothers, no problem, and please give us some share. Then they said, Kiyatvah dasyami. Up to what extent we have to give? And then immediately they said, then what you do, you select a yardstick, and in whatever manner the yardstick is going to measure the land, that 3 times you measure, and 3 times you measure, automatically that land will be yours, the property will be yours. You will have the sway and kingdom over that one, kingsmanship over that one. They said, Yavat iyam salaki trivipparikramati tavat naha dattaiti. Then Indra said, I am having a yardstick, measuring stick, so in whatever manner it moves, 3 times it will go, it will measure. By the time whatever amount of places, whatever measurement is there, that will be given to us. Then they said, okay, Sa Indra salaki rupam krutva imam trihi sarvatah paryakramat. Automatically, Indra has become a measuring stick, measuring tape. It's not tape, stick only. And he measured 3 times all the 3 worlds. That's all. Now tell me, Vamana did not deceive at all. He has given the property to the correct owner only. That's why Ongi Ulagalanda, Sri Andal did not stop. Uttaman. Uttaman is the person who will see that each and everybody will be having their own share. At the same time, to see that the law and order is maintained, he will come down to such a lower level also. Always he will be blessing all these peoples, all the people, but he is going to stretch his hand. Actually, his hand will be always in the upper side, but he has stretched his hand to receive the alms from a king who is the enemy of Devas. You observe that one? That's why Ongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Pervadi. That's why Upanishad says, sing the glory of that foot. At least foot, that's all. It's enough. Charanam pavitram vitatam puranam yena puta tarati dushkrutani. That foot is so vast. It will be so small apparently, but it will be vast. Charanam pavitram. It is so pious, and the piety will be given to you through worshipping of the foot. Charanam pavitram vitatam. It will be vast. It will be unmeasurable also. Puranam. It is the oldest one. That means it is symbolic of the oldest spirit of creation. Yena puta tarati dushkrutani tena pavitrena suddhena puta atipapmanam aratim tarema. We can overcross our enemies. We can rid of our evils, or whatever unpious acts we have done, our sins, they will be cleared. That's all. Vishnurnukam viryani yapardhivami vimame rajamsi. My dear friend, each and every particle of the creation will sing the glorious expeditions of the Lord. Please remember that one. Yo askabhayat uttaram sadastam. He is the person who has seen that the sky did not fall any time. The sky never falls. Where are the poles? Where are the ropes? Where are the other clippings or rivets for that one? No. Askabhayat uttaram sadastam vichakramana treda urugayo. He has measured 3 feet, 3 feet length only. And urugaya is to be sung. Is it your praises? Please sing, because he has sung by the great scholars. That's all. This is Uttaman Perpadi. Margari Tingal Madi Niraindana Nadal Nirada Pudavir Podavino Neratair. When they are saying that one in Vongi, you observe that one, it is such a beautiful way. And in that one, Vongi Ulagalanda Uttaman Perpadi Nankal Nampavaiku Chatinarinal Thingin Adelam. For that also, William Blake gives a beautiful description. Green fields and happy groves, where flocks have took delight, where lambs have nibbled silent moves, and the feet of angels bright, unseen, they pour blessing and joy without easing on each bud and bosom and each sleeping bosom. They will say, Thinginri Nadellam Tingalmumari Pedu. And per day, per month, 3 rains will be there. Adaha Swadhamanu Punargadbhattvamedire Datanam Nama Yajniyam. Rigveda says this beautiful word. You see, and we shall follow the yajna, we shall follow the worship, we shall sing the glory of the Lord automatically. Adaha Swadhamanu Punargadbhattvamedire. And let the rain fall be in time and in a nice condition. Automatically, all the crops should grow, and we should have plenty of enjoyable, non-dangerous food. In that way, let us follow the yajna. And what happens? Thingindi Nadellam Tingal Mummari Pedu Ongu Perunchannal Udugailagala Perumbachukal. They will say, you need not praise the cow. Actually, when a cow is going to be milked, you have to praise. There is a story in Veda only. Once upon a time, the Devas and Rishis wanted to perform a yajna. For that yajna, what they require? Milk they require. Nowadays, in all yajnas, we are getting packet milks, etc. and we are doing. No, we shall milk from the cow having 1 calf. In that one only, we have to get it. But we are doing so many other things. Municipality people will be leaving water in the midnight time, we are filling up the overhead tanks, and in the early morning, without taking bath also, we will be filling up our pots and tumblers, and after taking bath, we are performing Tirupavai. What will be the Tirtham? That Tirtham only will be. But actually, when you have to take the Tirtham water for the worship, it should be from flowing water, at least from well water, at least directly from some other source, but in 5 stages. But we say that we are from Sampradaya. That's the greatness. You observe this one. What happens When they wanted milk, they cannot get packet milk like them, that they cannot create. They went to Surabhi and requested, Surabhi, we want milk. Definitely I shall give you, but one thing, because there is no grass at all. That means in those days also some great scholars, some great readers, some great kings and rulers also have eaten grass, and just like we have seen in some state and in the northern side, like that they have eaten. So grass is not there. So see that grass is grown. I shall eat grass, and later I shall yield a baby, a calf. Then I shall give you milk. This will be done in overnight. Then they performed the yaga, Kariri yaga. This was performed by, once upon a time, Sriman Pedajir Swambaru in Tirupati, and such a beautiful, plenty of rain was there within the area of Tirupati only. It did not cross Guntakal, or it is not beyond Srikalahasti, but fantastic. In Hindu paper, gentleman has written articles on that one for 1 week continuously. Hindu paper, there is a joke on that one. Entire world is terrorized by World War, etc. But Hindu paper will be writing on some articles tending on fish and tending of pig properly, like that. That article, like that, that means contemporary controversial issues he will never take. But he has covered the matter 6 or 7 days. And up to 5 or 6 years, the entire reservoirs were full of water. Like that, Kariri Yaga, they performed, the gods have performed, automatically a rainfall was there, and then grass as a beautiful greenery is developed. But by the time Surabhi went and grazed that one, what happened? The Rakshasas has sprinkled poison on that one, without knowing that Surabhi grazed, and automatically poison entered inside and polluted the milk. This is the problem. That due to the poison, Surabhi did not die, but milk was polluted. Then the rishis went there, said, Apyayadvamagniya deva bhagam urjaswati payaswati. O cow, my dear lady, my dear grand lady, madam, did you graze properly? Apyayadvam agniya. O cow, please graze properly. Have up to the satisfaction. Fill the belly like that. Apyayadvam agniya. I want milk, not for our purpose. Deva bhagam. It is to be offered to devas only. Deva bhagam urjaswati payaswati. You should have proper strength. You should have your udder fully filled with excellent ambrosia like milk. Apyayadvamagniya deva bhagam urjaswati payaswati. Then she said, no, it is polluted. Okay, no problem. Anamiva ayakshma. You will not suffer any blasphemy, any evil spirit, or any disease due to that one. It will be purified. Apyayadvamagniya deva bhagam urjaswati payaswati anamiva ayakshma mavastena ishatatama. No thief will be abducting you. No thief will lift away already Vritrasura, Pani, like that those people have taken your children. No, not like that. And you give us. క్షమించాలి, ఇవి చెప్పడానికని ఇత్తహతలాడితే స్టూడెంట్స్కి చెప్పించుకోలేదు, వేదికల మీద అడగలేదు. పెద్దలంతా ఎందరెందరో వందలాది మంది శిష్యులున్న పెద్దలు కూడా మమ్మల్ని ఎప్పుడు వచ్చి 2 మాటలు చెప్పమని లేదు. అంచేత ఆర్తితోటి ఇవన్నీ కలెక్ట్ చేశాము. చేసింది లెక్కల మాస్టర్ ఉద్యోగం. ఇంగ్లీష్ పెద్దగా రాదు కదా మాకు, అంచేత గుర్తు పెట్టుకోలేకపోతున్నాం. అంచేత ఒక్కొక్కసారి కొటేషను చూసే చదవాల్సి వస్తుంది, ఒక్కొక్కసారి తడబడచ్చు. ఇంచేత మాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ బాగా రాదండి. ఇప్పుడున్న వాళ్ళకి వచ్చినంత ఇంగ్లీషు మాకు బాగా రాదు. ఇంచేత షెడ్యూల్ ఇలాంటి పదాలు వాడతారు పాపం వాళ్ళు, రెసిప్ట్ అని చెప్పి ఇలాంటివి. అలాంటి మనం చదువుకుని ఇంగ్లీష్ వేరు, అది క్షమించాలి. అందుకని అప్పుడు దెన్ ది కౌ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ ఎ ప్రామిస్. When I yield the calf, up to 10 days, you should not take my milk at all. You should not milk me at all. The entire milk is to be given to my calf only, my children only. From the 13th day onwards, you can use your milk like that. So here, Thengade Pukki Irandu Shirtamalai Patti Vanga Kudam Niraikum Vallal Perumbachukal. These cows need not be prayed like that. When they are eating something, they will keep in mind, Lord Krishna is in our place. He is taking care of our cows. So what happens? Nothing happens to us. Let us have plenty of food completely, and let us others will be fully filled with milk, and let us give the cowhead boys, the Yadavas, whenever he enters, puts that pot near, automatically the pot or the tumbler and the bucket it should be filled with very quickly. Thengade Pukku Irandu Shirtamalai Patti Vanga Suyavasad Bhagavatihi Bhuya Adhovayam Bhagavantasyama Adhi Trunamagne Vishwadanim Piba Shuddham Udakam Acharanti. Earlier I said, whatever they prayed, they said that one. Suyavasad Bhagavatihi Bhuya Adhovayam Bhagavantasyama. With your blessings, we will be related to Lord. And the Lord is our master, but we are becoming his master in turn. Remember that. Adhi Trunam Agne. O cow, please have the food properly. Vishwadanim Pibashuddham. And later drink water, pure water only, like that. And Udakam Acharanti. Again, this is from Rigveda, first mandala. Then Thingin Nadellam Tingal Mummari Bedu. They says, Rigveda says, Yome Rajan Yujjova Sakhava Swapne Bhayam Bhirave Makhyamaha Stenova Yo Dipsati No Vrunova Tvam Tasmat Varuna Pahi Asman. Who is the king? Thingin Nadellam. We are taking bath. Automatically we are getting the blessings of Varuna Deva. So we are requesting Varuna Deva, please, O Varuna, please bless us. What is it? Yome Rajan Yujjova Sakhava. He is my friend, but at times he will be troubling me. He will be deceiving me. That's all. Sometimes he may create some trouble, whether he is a friend or an enemy. Yujjova Sakhava Swapne Bhayam. Let him create in our dreams also some trouble, some tension. Let it be, even that. And Bhirave Makhyamaha, or he will be shouting at me. He will be creating such scenes with which I may be frightened. If he creating such a fear in me, either that one, Stenova, or he may be deceiving me by stealing my property indirectly, Dipsova, and Yo Dipsati, he will be hating me. If time permits, if opportunity is there, he may kill me also. Those who will be hating us, those who will be robbing of our property, no Vruni Urukova, Tvam Tasmat Varna Urukaha, appears to be, he will not be appearing in front, but he will be behind the screen, and when opportunity comes, he will oversway us, overpower us, and trouble us. So for such troubles, please see that we are rid of. So please help us. We are, as a boat is helping the fellow who doesn't know swimming, he will be crossing the ocean. Similarly, O Varuna, O King Varuna. Varuna is, who is that gentleman? In Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra, it is given Varuno, Varuno, Pushkaracha. It is a prayer to the Lord only. So Varuna, please see that we are going to be safe totally to serve you. This is the part, one part of the Stotra, reference to Vedas and other things. In the next segment we shall think of. Till then, tentatively I am taking a small pause. Thank you.